Hello guys, today I'll be solving from CP31 sheet, 1000 rated problems, and I'll select any problem. So I'll choose basketball together. I'll open codeforces. What the hell? I'll open codeforces Lite, which is a Chrome extension, and I'll paste the boilerplate. Make some changes. I'll make this as array. I'll make this as okay. Let's read the question. So the question is, a basketball competition is being held where the number of players in a team does not have a minimum or a maximum limit. Like in a basketball match, there are 5 players, but like in this game, there is no limit of minimum or maximum. There are n candidate players in a competition, trained by Park Chenek, the best basketball coach. The ith candidate player has a power of pi. Park Chenek will form a 0 or more teams from n candidate players on the condition that each candidate player may only join at most one team. Each of the Park Chenek team will be sent to compete once with the enemy team that has a power of d. In each match, the team sent is to defeat the enemy team if sum of powers from the formed players is strictly greater than d. One of the Park Chenek skill is that when the team is formed, plays in a match, he can change the power of each player on the team equal to the biggest player from the team. Determine the maximum number of wins. So this is a very simple greedy question, I think so. So I'll explain. I have like kind of developed a logic in my mind about this question. I'll copy the test case and I'll also explain it to all of you. I'll open Xkelly Draw and I'll paste my test case here. So this is our test case. Now what is this? This is D. Now what is D? D is the power of the enemy team. 6 is the number of players. So first what I'll be doing is I'll be sorting this. So first would be 60. Then we'll have 70. No, before 60 there is 50. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. So what I have thought is कि like it is given. It is already given कि what we can do is that you can change the skill of every player in the team equal to the highest player. Like so what I'll do, I'll form a team. I'll form a team of 100 and 50, and like both will become 100. And there is a rule that your strength should be strictly greater than basically D. So I'll make one pointer I here, one pointer J here, and I'll run a loop while I is greater than J. Then I'll choose one player from this side, and then I'll check how many players do I need from this side. So if I give 100 to each of them, I'll give 100 to them. So this will become 100 because like all players in the team will take the power of the strongest player, na. So 100 and 100, this is greater than 180. So like this is enough. So one team has been formed. One team has been formed. Now our J pointer moves to this place. Now our J pointer moves to this place. This is J pointer. Now I'll take 90. I can make this also as 90. So 90 and 90 is 180. But we need strictly greater. So we'll have to take one more. So I'll take this and this. So basically one more team is formed and our J pointer is now here. And our I pointer is also here. But our rule was that I should be greater than J. So basically only 2 teams can be formed by this method. So this is the answer. Now I'll code for this. The code would be simply I'll sort in arranging order or descending order, like in any order you can sort. But I'll be arranging in descending order because that would be easy. I'll make 2 pointers. That would be I should make everything in long of I, that is 0, and J would be n of n minus 1, and we have to take 2 input n and D. Okay, and I have an answer variable which I'll be storing, and I have a condition while I is greater than J. While I is greater than J, I think I is greater than is equals to J, or J is equals to J is also like possible. Okay, so first of all is our need. How much power do you need? So we need power that would be strictly greater. So I'll be doing D divided by ARR of I. This is the power needed to defeat the team, but we need strictly greater, so I'll be doing +1 because integer division always like goes below. And if I'll check if need is because need is the like this is the amount of players you need from backside. What is need? Need is the amount of players you need from this side. So if I plus need minus 1 is greater than is equals to J, then no, actually if less than is equals to J, then we can simply break. Otherwise we can simply do J minus is equals to need minus 1. So basically we'll take need minus 1 player because one player will be taken from this side and other need minus 1 players will be taken from this side. So and then I plus and also answer plus, and I'll just And there are no test cases in this question. Okay, so I'll remove test cases. I'll simply see out answer. I hope so this is correct. Okay, sorting has a problem. Okay, this should be R end. Okay, let's submit this. Okay, so our code is accepted, and this was like a very easy problem. Thank you.